Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. While here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. Today is Friday, October the 6th, so we're wrapping up the week. We're going to look at CRWD here towards the top of the main dashboard. 294% increase in institutional bullish volume. So no surprises, the stock is up over 8% as a result. And our users at TradeAlgo.com are able to log into the software and see that right there at the beginning of the day. And I'll show you the timestamp that moves in accordance with it. Let's check out CRWD on the TradeAlgo Alerts tab. Our machine learning technology is able to identify at lightning speed, much faster than the human eye or brain could, what's going on in these private exchanges. There's 9 times the average amount of institutional bullish pressure that one is normally seen there. So no wonder it pops up on the main dashboard for people to take advantage of. Now, if we go to our activity page, you can see that typically only $191 million of CRWD is traded behind closed doors in private exchanges that retail traders commonly don't have access to. And this is over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, $563 million. So it's hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder CRWD is making such a massive directional move. Now, if you had followed along with smart money transactions, and let's say you had done some call options, look at these quadruple and even quintuple digit returns. Like, for example, let's say you had done the $170 call option. We're taking a look at the 15-minute chart. We know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. At the beginning of the day, options were anywhere between about 5 to 10 cents. At its maximum, they were $6.91. That is over a 13,000% return. But the market moves very quick, and it is very unrealistic to expect to squeak every single last percentage point out of it. The whole purpose is get access to advanced technology and data and private exchange networks that give you the information down here and the ability to be successful, as opposed to hearing about it through retail news sources or maybe even on this video over here after it moved 13,000%. For example, maybe you didn't even make a trade until 10:45 a.m. and then maybe you hopped out at an early exit. That's still a 138% return. A triple-digit return on the day is great. Get your data down here. Stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just CRWD. There were many other opportunities. Very bullish day. We don't have time to look through all of them. Let's take a look at maybe just one or two more. Not only do users of TradeAlgo get the ability to use the technology and make successful trades with it, for people who are busy with work or new to the market or just want some extra assistance, whatever the case may be, we also go a step further, which is to send out alerts directly to our users. Here's an example of the one that we sent out today, letting them know an official trade on the Walmart $155 call option expiring today, October the 6th. And we even give the entry price of 12 cents on the entry. That was sent at 10:05 a.m. this morning Eastern Standard Time. So Walmart pops up with a huge signal of institutional bullish volume. Our analysts then, of course, go through and send out a more specified alert for people to be able to take advantage of, or they could have found the trades on their own from the main dashboard. So it's helping everyone regardless of their level of skill or their busyness schedule. Now let's take a look at the $155 call option. We are going to stick with the 15-minute candle here because we know the time and the price of entry, 12 cents, 10:05 a.m. So at its maximum, the trade is up over 1,100% from a direct alert sent to our users. However, again, it's not about squeaking all 1,100% out of it. We keep people updated on the position, letting them know that at a 41% return, we're out of a third of the position. Walmart's now up 120%, so we're going to be exiting a little bit more of the position. And then, of course, once it moves up to 140%, we set the stop loss to a 75% profit, so that way we're clear for the rest of the day. And then, of course, alerting people towards the very end of the day, it's still up almost 1,200% if you had held on from the 11-cent entry, 12-cent entry, and if you had kept some of those runners. So congratulations to people that were sharing success stories with us, saying, made a quick $700 on Walmart today. This user made nearly a triple-digit return, 80% here for this user, and many, many other success stories. Now, just one more here to very quickly wrap it up. Let's take a look at the large cap space. AMD draws a lot of attention, $166 billion company with a massive signal of institutional bullish volume. So the stock ends up jumping 5%. Market makers, large investment banks, hedge funds, people of that nature typically trade with a lot more money and have the ability to move prices of stocks more than the retail market. So when they move in those private exchanges, it's going to be pretty critical to get that information as early as possible. You could see that 8:49 a.m. timestamp. If you had done call options following smart money transactions, nice list of triple and quadruple digit returns there as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.